Hey, this is Dylan with Repair Spots, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to import and export your inventory from our inventory screen. Now in order to get to inventory, we can from the home menu just go to this square right here that says inventory and click it. From here, in order to import and export, we'll be able to go to this button over here, which is our import button. And from here you can do a bulk import or export your items. Now, going bulk import is going to prompt you to go to the web portal to finish this importing. You can check another video that we have on how to use this importing tool from the portal in another video. We can go back to export items, where we will be able to download a CSV file of the inventory we have. This will be emailed to us. We can also import items from this store to another store if we need to sync our inventory with this button over here. This will be importing all of the items we have in stock from this store to whichever other store we click to send it to. And there you have it. There's a basic overview of your importing and exporting tools. Be sure to check our video on importing and exporting from the web portal for more information.